getting good grades, following the rules, all looking perfect. What's wrong about?
Getting good grades?
No.
Meeting cute boys?
Wait till you're older.
Doing TikToks?
God, no!
Bananas?
What the? Bananas? Rock's about sticking it to the man.
The man. He's the one who makes all the money. He's the one who hits you down. How does that make you feel?
Angry!
That's right.
When the world has screwed you and crushed you in its fist. When the way you're treated has got you good and pissed. There's been one solution since the world began. Don't just sit and take it, stick it to the man. Rant and rave and scream and shout, get all of your aggression out. They try to stop you, let them know exactly where they all can go. Do it just as loudly as you can, stick it to the man. Parents overwork ya, stick it to the man. Hate the way they jerk ya, stick it to the man. Tired of the system, stick it to the man. Rise up and resist them, stick it to the man. Break the rules, ignore the signs and come way outside the lines. They want to spend too much your life, they hate it, they can take the hype. When you love is someone else's plan, stick it to the man. Put something into your music. When the world has screwed you and crushed you in its fist. When the way you're treated has got you good and pissed. There's been one solution since the world began. Don't just sit and take it, stick it to the man. Let the rules, ignore the signs and come way outside the lines. They want to spend too much your life, they hate it, they can take the hype. But watching someone else's caravan, especially those who so much to learn. It's time to throw it all against the fan. There's no way you can stop the school of rock. Stick it to the man. They all kiss so you know what? Do everything they ever tried to ban. Stick it to the man. When the world has screwed you and